There is a Japanese saying that goes, if you are dying of thirst, it's already too late to start digging for a well. Now, the same thing applies to a business. If you know that your business is in trouble and then you start looking for solutions, then that's not going to work out. So before your business can be in trouble, you have to make sure that you have a plan. Strategic planning and having a strategy is going to help you get success in your business. For example, let me tell you a short story about a well-known brand and how strategic planning helped them earn more than 100 crore. And we are talking about an Indian food brand, that is MTR. The MTR business was started by a family. And back in 1975, there was an economic social crisis. And during that time, all the restaurants were shutting down, cost cutting, doing adulteration to their products, and even firing employees. But through all those tough times, do you know what founder of MTR brand did? Number one, cost cutting. MTR brand did not do any sort of cost cutting. They did not fire any of their employees because they know their employees were very hardworking and loyal to the brand. Number two, adulteration. The brand did not perform any sort of adulteration, but instead what they did was change the ingredients. Instead of adding unwanted ingredients to a product, they changed the ingredients so that the price of the product will be less but the quality will remain the same. And number three, they sold grocery items. So whatever products or food products which MTR had, they turned all of that into grocery products and started selling groceries so that their income source will remain intact. Because during this tough time, MTR brand knew that the demand was the same for food items. There was demand. But only thing is people were not able to afford the food products. So what they started doing is they started changing ingredients, they started selling groceries, and they made sure that the quality of the products which they sell, they remain intact. And the quality did not go down. And because of these three things which the founder of MTR made, because of these three decisions and strategic planning, right now MTR is one of the top food brands in India. They have restaurants, they have grocery products, and they even have their ready-made grocery items which can be cooked from our own home. So that is how this business is still afloat. I am Natalia and you are watching IndianMoney.com English channel, and today we are going to talk about the 5 different reasons why you need to have a strategic planning so that your business can attain success. Number 1, planning. So when you are having a successful business, or if you want your business to be successful, the first thing that you should do is plan. Do a research. How is the business like? What are your competitors like? How are they doing their business? What are your financial situations? How are you going to manage if you have any sort of emergency? So have a plan in place so that if in turn you are faced with such circumstances, you will know what to do exactly. Number 2, strengths and weakness. So when you start any sort of business, you have to first research about what your strengths are and what your weaknesses are, so that you will work on your weaknesses and keep building and promoting your strengths so that your brand will stay afloat. Number 3, skills and knowledge. So if you are starting your own successful business, don't you think that you should have the knowledge needed to run that business? Don't you think you should have skillful people or skillful employees in your team to make sure your business is a success? When you have a successful business, make sure you have all the necessary knowledge needed to run that business. Or when you're hiring skillful people, make sure they have the right or relevant skills which is going to help your brand or your business grow. Number 4, resource allocation. So any sort of business or brand you start, resources is a must. And resources are finite. We all wish they were infinite, but they are finite. So before you start any sort of business, you have to ask these questions to yourself. What products or services are going to be in the market in the future? And what do I need to do so that whatever products I bring out, will they be helpful in the future? Will the people want to buy these products in the future? Or will there be better products than what I'm selling in the future? Should I do any sort of upgradation to my product or my services? So all these questions, you should have the right answer way before you start your business. Number 5, environmental scan. So you can definitely start a business anywhere you want. You can bring up a product or a service anywhere you want. But the product or the service that you're going to bring in that particular area or environment, is it going to be helpful to the people? Will the people in that environment or location be liking your product? Will they be using your product? Is there a need for your product? So if you don't do all these thorough research or analysis, and you just start a business anywhere without having knowledge about how your environment is, then your business might not work out. So before you start any sort of business or services, make sure you do an environmental scan. See what the people are in need of. See if your product or your services are going to help the people in some way, and then move forward with that. So these are the 5 things that you should be looking for if you are about to start a business. Make sure you have the right sort of planning. Make sure you know what your company's strengths and weaknesses are, and make sure you have the knowledge and the right skillful or the relevant type of people in your team, and then make sure your resource allocation is on place, and last but not the least, make sure you do an environmental scan. But do not worry, if you are looking to start a business and you don't know where to start, we at IndianMoney.com, we have a lot of courses in our financial freedom application where you can learn how to start your very own successful business and earn a lot of money. We have different courses in different categories. For example, we have a lot of personal branding courses, or personal finance courses, or business and farming courses, or career building courses. So we have a lot of courses available in 6 different languages. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with anyone who you might think this video might help. Please do like and share this video with anyone you think this video might help. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Be wise and get rich.